Welcome back, guys. Let's learn something new to. We've all been there. You're trying to work, but that glare on your screen turns every task into a guessing game. Damn it. Let's solve this once and for all. What if I could ensure no one had glare on their screen in my office? Well, buckle up because today we're tackling exactly that. Glare is obviously annoying, but sadly, it is also a productivity killer. First, let's understand glare. Glare is what happens when light bounces off a shiny surface, like your desk or screen, straight into your eyes. So, if I find an efficient layout for my office interiors, which minimizes this light reflection, this problem can be tackled, right? We just found a solution. Arrange desks alongside the windows and add diffusers to spread the light evenly. That's good, but can we do better? Enter simulation tools. These calculate sunlight angles and show how light behaves in your space. Applying this, I can make another layout that works better. There could be endless possibilities. Figuring all of them out takes time. Testing them takes even more. And choosing the best, that's the challenge. So, which technology would help us here in solving a problem of generating endless layouts and finding the best solution? Enter Generative Design. Generative Design fits where you need to explore a lot of options and test them against specific goals. So imagine cooking. You want to figure out the right amount of salt in your dish. So you make 10 dishes, each with different amounts of salt. Then you taste them all and figure out the right amount of salt for the dish. But making all these dishes manually, that is time intensive. It's not just one ingredient salt, it could be temperature, spices, quantities, timings, etc. All these become parameters that help in generating solutions and choosing the best amongst them. Thankfully, for our issue of screen glare, Generative Design can generate all these options in an instant. With its help, you can test all options at once and the system shows you the best. Generative Design takes parameters like desk positions, window sizes, type of glass, sun angles, working hours, and generates layouts that reduce glare and boost comfort. Out of the many options, you can shortlist and refine further to find the perfect layout, the one where there is no glare on any screens. It is also applicable in designing workstations with optimum sizes and layouts. It's not just for offices. You can make facades that focus on efficient ventilation and even optimize your living room furniture layout. Generative Design does the heavy lifting. Tools like Autodesk Generative Design, Rhino Grasshopper, and SpaceMaker can bring generative design to your projects. There's a whole new world out there. Generative design isn't just about solving problems, it's about unlocking the best solutions. So, in a nutshell, whenever a need for intensive option generation arises, a tech like generative design or a process like BIM evolves to create solutions. To further know how generative design and BIM solve such problems in the AEC industry, be sure to subscribe to Novatr. And before we go, there is a question for you. These 5 layouts are generated to optimize a living room layout. Which one do you think fits the best? Answer in the comments and see you until the next episode.